Okay, I'm going to do a simple patio door installation guide. Got it from Home Depot. It's American Craftsman. I'm going to put it together just to make sure the frame size is what I need to make my frame around it. It's pretty enough fuss, no mess. I'm guessing. Side. Side. Top. And bottom. These come pre-drilled. You basically just line it up. Screw the frame together. This is upside down in your view, but this is going to be my wall above the sliding door frame. So what I've got is some 2x10s, which are actually 9 and a bit. I've got them lapped up there, one going across the top. And on this side, I've got 2x8s. So it'll be a little bit off center, but that'll make it so everything's solid around, help support the roof a bit better there at that location. It'll make everything solid and nice and square. Hopefully if I can get it built up good and square, should be good to go.
Hi, that's all. I just wanted to say hi. Hi.
It'll make more sense from this angle. This is the frame for the sliding door. That's the wall frame around it. So it's all 2x construction and then the 4x4 on top. So that should give us plenty of support, no sag, and it's nice and square, so hopefully the door will slide well once it's in there.